Welcome. In front of me is a REALME P3, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture and have it visible on your screen. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, which is already visible. So once it is the case, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. Just a click of them, and it gets you this flash pop-up with scroll and share options, and it does disappear on its own after a moment. When it disappears, you can find your screenshot. Oops. Just clear all of this out. Your screenshot in your Photos application. Now by default, you will be located in the Photos tab, so you want to navigate to Collections, and in Collections you will find Screenshot Album, in which you will find screenshots and also screen recordings, but it's still much easier to find whatever you're looking for in terms of screenshots in here rather than the entire photo library. So here is the screenshot I have captured a moment ago. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.